Once upon a time, in a sunny village by the sparkling sea, there lived a curious cat named Whiskers. Thank you for your like, share, and subscribe. Whiskers had soft, fluffy fur the color of midnight and bright green eyes that twinkled with mischief. He loved to explore every nook and cranny, climbing trees and chasing fluttering leaves. One day, as Whiskers was lazing on a warm stone by the sea, he noticed something glistening in the water. It was Bubbles the fish, with shiny scales shimmering under the sunlight like a rainbow. Bubbles had a cheerful personality and loved blowing bubbles as she swam. Thank you, our friends, for your subscribe our channel to join our community to be the first who see our new stories. Whiskers and Bubbles became the best of friends, playing hide and seek. Whiskers would hide in the tall grass, and Bubbles would dart behind seaweed. They would laugh together as Bubbles popped up to the surface, blowing bubbles that tickled Whiskers' nose. One warm afternoon, Whiskers noticed a group of seagulls planning to swoop down and catch Bubbles. He couldn't let that happen. Gathering all his courage, Whiskers ran towards the seagulls, meowing loudly. Surprised, the seagulls retreated, cawing in annoyance. Whiskers was a hero. Thankful for Whiskers' bravery, Bubbles wanted to give him a special gift. She knew of a hidden underwater cave filled with beautiful, sparkling shells. Thank you, our friends, for your subscribe our channel to join our community to be the first who see our new stories. At sunrise, Whiskers padded to the shore, greeted by the gentle waves. With Bubbles marking the way, Whiskers followed Bubbles through the shell. Thank you for your subscription.